to the L-I-Y-A-H.
Hey guys, your girl Shauna, and I am back with a weight loss journey / VSG update. I have not made a video on this in about a few weeks because there's nothing to talk about. Anybody else who has had or who is going through VSG or weight loss surgery, it is a process. Nothing happens overnight. It is not a quick thing. You have all these appointments, whatever. It's not much to talk about. It's like I have one appointment and then everything stops for 30 days. So if you are new here and you want to hear about my VSG journey, I have not had the surgery yet. I am in the process of being approved for the surgery. I'll put the video up in the corner here, my introduction. If you want to watch that first and then come back to this video, feel free. If you are a oldie but goodie, then you already know that I have been so indecisive when it comes to this whole weight loss surgery ordeal anyway. But I have some good news. I have decided that I am 85% sure that I'm going to have it. And I'm only saying that because I'm trying to hold myself accountable and do as I say and not as I do. And I know that if I say 85%, then I won't feel so bad if later on down the line I choose not to do it. But right now I am at the point of having my upper endoscopy appointment, which is where they test your pH levels. I already had my very first nutrition appointment. That's a whole nother video in itself. It was a Vimo or Venmo or whatever. Not Venmo, what is it called? Zoom. It was a Zoom video appointment with my doctor because you can do it that way. All my following ones though are going to be in office, so stay tuned for those videos also. So right now we're just going to watch a quick video on what an upper endoscopy is, okay? Okay, so if you have to have that procedure done, I'm so glad that you watched that video because I did not watch that video. I just scheduled the appointment. And then the day before, or maybe 2 days before the appointment, the doctor sent me a video to watch. I watched it and I canceled the appointment because I wasn't ready. I didn't have enough time to prepare myself. Like, this is a real procedure. I'm going to be put under anesthesia, all that. So after watching that video a few times, I rescheduled it and I'm going to be having it on February the 17th, and my doctor advised me that I cannot take any medications that I take the day before the procedure. Like, I take like Cetrizine for allergies, so she said not to take that. And if you take blood pressure pills, it just depends on your doctor and what they want you to do, so ask about that. But you have to do a liquid diet 2 days before. When you go in and have the procedure done, they give you a little box to monitor what you eat and like your acid reflux level, your pH or whatever. So now that I watched the video, I'm prepared, and I'm glad that you guys stuck around long enough to watch the video, because the worst thing ever is to have something done to you that you don't know what's going to be done, and then you get there and you don't expect it and you're like freaked out. So now you don't have to be freaked out. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys along when I go for the appointment. Of course, I'm probably not going to be able to film everything because I'm going to be put under anesthesia. But I just want you to be in the moment with me and know what's going on. And I just wanted to let you know that I have decided to follow through with the procedure. yeah. And I don't want to look like crazy, like I keep saying I'm gonna do it and I'm not gonna do it, I'm not gonna do it. But I'm sure anybody else who's had this procedure is like on the fence back and forth. And then I'm sure after you have it and you get through all the hard parts of the liquid diet and everything, and you lose all your weight, you be feeling good and excited and like, yes, this was for me. But right now I'm still in that, oh my god, what if this happens, what if that happens? It's just so much in my mind. Like I get riled up and nervous just thinking about it. But at least I'm following through my appointments. After everything was rescheduled, I have been going to my appointments. I haven't missed them, so that is a plus. So yeah, that's where I am in my VSG surgery. Also, since the start of the new year, I have been trying to lose some weight on my own. My doctor did inform me that because I am on the line of being able to have the surgery, that I should not lose too much weight because the insurance may not approve me if I lose weight. But I think a part in my mind is just like, go ahead girl, try to lose weight on your own. So I have been doing intermittent fasting. And I got this app right here. Let's see if I can show y'all. It is called Simple. And on the app it tells you like different highlights about fasting, like the different phases of fasting. So I found that to be really neat. So you track your first meal, and then when it's time for you to eat again, it'll tell you your fast is over, you can eat. It'll tell you what your body is doing in that moment, where you are in the fasting process. So it's a really nice app, and it gives you like little tips as you go along, like little stories, like Instagram stories. And that's really cool and motivating when you're starving during the day waiting for your fasting window to open. Other than that, I'm in this room right now. You guys can't see because I'm standing on this one wall, but I brought my treadmill up into this room. I have some exercise equipment. I got this ball. I have kettlebell. And I have a Boosu ball over there. I'm not picking it up. And some ropes. And yeah, so a few days out of the week I've been coming up here in the morning before work. I get on a treadmill for a little bit, do some squats. I don't know, your girl just thinks she can do it on her own. But I'm going to keep going to my appointments and keep pushing through to see what happens with getting approved for the surgery and just go from there. So that is what's going on with me and my weight loss journey, and not much. I mean, you just have to wait. With my insurance, there's certain steps you have to follow to even get approved. So I have to do a series of nutrition appointments, mental health appointments, regular doctor's appointments before I even get approved. So it's just like a waiting game, and I'm just waiting and waiting. And the more that I wait, the more that I talk myself into it or talk myself out of it. It's just what it is. So if you are at this stage as well, sorry guys, my camera died. But like I was saying, if you are going through the same thing and you don't know if you want to go through with the surgery, if you want to lose the weight on your own, please let me know. I'm not the only one out there that's having all these struggles in my mind. Again, if you are new here, please subscribe, hit the like button if you like this video. And if you're also having weight loss surgery or thinking about weight loss surgery, please give this video a thumbs up and make some comments down below. Let's talk, let's engage in this situation together so that we can motivate and help each other, because I'm going crazy over here, okay? Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.